Here it is, my fully assembled 106 chorus by Feedback Electronics. I'm not affiliated with Feedback or this project, just here to give a demo, and to give some feedback from my build of the surface mount version. The 106 chorus is touted as an accurate recreation in Eurorack format of one of the most sought after choruses, the one from the famous analog Polysynth of the 80s. This chorus gets its sound from two rare MM3009 BBD chips. Since this project launched, the 3009s have become impossible to find. A company called X-Vive has come to the rescue. X-Vive has reissued the MM3009 BBD chips for a fraction of the cost. There are demos around already. The big question is, do the X-Vive chips sound as good? First, I want to discuss building the module. There are different versions of the kit. I built the surface mount version having the unpopulated PCB. It also came with two 3101 clocking chips, two rare JFETs, panel, 3 jacks, the big potentiometer, and knob. In my opinion, this was about as difficult to build as the DIY Mutable instruments projects. In other words, not for beginners. But intermediate builders with a steady hand and good experience should be able to overcome any troubles that arise. To make the build go smoother, I made a one-time use solder paste stencil from Mylar, but I still had a few open circuit joints that needed touching up. The components are very small. Some of the mounting pads are in very confined areas. There is no bill of materials provided, also known as a BOM, for the surface mount version, that is. The PCB does not provide component references that tie them back to the schematic. Normally, this doesn't stop you from stuffing the board, except the PCB doesn't indicate diode polarity. The spaces are just too tight for all that. And the calibration procedure doesn't indicate where to look for LFO signals. But I found the test points at these locations. Let's rack up the module and get on to the audio examples and see how these X-Vive BBD reissue chips sound.